Hi family and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button. So fam, today we're gonna be doing banana cake. Let's get right into the recipe. So fam, the first thing we're going to be doing is to sieve flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt in a bowl and set aside. In another bowl, we're going to peel our 4 overripe bananas and either use a fork to mash them or your hands because it gives it an easy ride. Once your banana has gotten to the consistency that you want, stir in your buttermilk and set it aside. In a stand mixer, beat butter and sugar on medium speed for about 5 minutes until light and fluffy. On low speed, we're going to be adding our eggs 2 at a time until each addition is well incorporated before we're going to be adding the next. So fam, it's time for us to add our flour mixture in 4 parts, alternating with our buttermilk and banana mixture in 3 parts, making sure that each addition is well incorporated before we add the next. So fam, at this point you want to make sure you do not overmix. We're gonna go ahead and actually pour our butter into an 8-inch pan and bake for about 55 minutes. So fam, our cake is out of the oven. You want to let it cool for about 10 minutes and then you could just scrape the sides and take it out of the pan and let it cool on a wire rack for about 30 minutes. So fam, you know what time it is. It's time to give yourself a treat as usual. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.